Apple Vision Pro is about to get lighter and cooler. A titanium upgrade is coming to make VR comfier than ever. Ready for the future? What's good, tech fans? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's cooking up a lighter, more user-friendly Vision Pro set to drop by late 2025, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman said on April 27, 2025. With titanium insides and a slick design, let's dive into why this is huge. This $3,499 Vision Pro is a beast, but its 650-gram weight can feel heavy. Gurman says Apple's next model, expected between late 2025 and mid-2026, will be lighter and cheaper. A leaker on X claims Apple's swapping aluminum for titanium in the internal structure for strength, keeping the outer aluminum shell. This could shave ounces, making it easier to wear for hours. Plus, it might rock a black iPhone 5 style color scheme. A second tethered model powered by a Mac for max performance is also in the works, but later. Why is this a big deal? A lighter Vision Pro could pull in more users, especially after mixed reviews on comfort. Titanium strength means durability without bulk, perfect for gaming, work, or movies. No official price or specs yet, but expect to launch at WWDC 2026 or earlier. The lighter model might keep the 4K micro OLED displays, but cut weight to around 500 grams. The tethered version, leaning on Mac power, could be a pro-tier option. For now, Apple's testing prototypes, and leaks suggest a sleeker fit with better battery life. This is Apple doubling down on Vision Pro's future. Hyped for a lighter Vision Pro? Follow Apple for updates and subscribe for the latest tech news. Hit that like button and comment below.